Okay, this video we will discuss about the gaming. First one is a game which I am going to discuss, and that are the best Netflix game to play with your subscription. Key deposit of ice hack. Netflix is still king of the streaming world, but one of the undertaking peak. The cost subscription, Netflix subscription is the best Netflix game is super going Hikmet region 3 kingdom Moon Free Terra Nil and Keto Zero Retro Zero Agile and Accidental PC Balloon TD4 Zilon and Calinate Pocket Dino Intro to the Page Netflix monthly subscription. If you have already played the incredible invoicing the implementation on the ACR console, you are simply play a Netflix game on Android and welcome to कहीं जल्दी है कहीं जल्दी है मैं If you are looking for a language of Ninja story and is not only challenging to import between the regularly play even stay for the region of three kingdoms region has the major in the wild game world since the first title was released in 1913. The fifth game plays similarly improvised title with a card that a swift left or right decision is often free. You play a axial and stranger who playing the figure out how to stop prevailing for supernatural power that have friendly accidentally unslashed while visiting a local island. The entire game is played via speech and interaction with the environment. You can choose unlock many other possible endings once you finish. You top right into the ocean-free slot signal which are available in mobile exclusive on Netflix games. Terranil. Terranil. That are the flighty city building slim uh, out there, but Terranil take an opinion opposite rather than a building up city. You are building up ecosystem, often destroying man-made structure in the process. Your goal with each level to remove toxicity from the soil and air bringing back plant and animal, then take off out, leaving a trace. The game itself is fairly short, but चलो उसका जिंदगी ने